The Zohar al Pshat, day 237. And we are about 10 lines on the bottom of Chav Vav and Beis. And we said that Luchos, the Vav, flew away from Luchos. That was the Vav of Eitz. And then it says in the 10th line from the bottom here, when that Vav flew away, which is the original Vav of the HaChaim, v'yoav lo nachronin, there came another Vav. Misisha HaDa'as Tovara. So I have HaDa'as Tovara. Now, evidently, Pardes for Rabbi Akiva means transcending that. We've spoken about that past few days. When you're meditating and going to the deepest levels, there's no Pirud. There's no Pirud. There's no right, left, good, bad. Everything is HaChaim. Everything is just connected to Shamayim. It doesn't work that way in this world. When you go into Pardes, you're transcending this world. In this world, the Vav is not the HaChaim, which is completely good. There is HaDa'as Tovara, where there's Isser v'Heter, as he says here. The Torah with Isser v'Heter, Miyamina Chaye, there is on the right side Chaim, Mismala Moisa. On the left side there's death. And that's water. It's Torah. Torah has multiplicity in it and has good waters and bad waters, so to speak. Sama Chaim, Sama Mavis. So, you want to transcend this world. You want to get to Avnei Shaish Tahar, to the Luchos before it, without breakage. Oh, Altamru Maim. Don't say water. Lo Tuvishkin Avnei Shaish Tahar. Don't take the Avnei Shaish Tahar and reduce them to Maim. And here's a parenthesis. I'm not sure how much of it is precise and how much is not. Dinam Beis Yudin Vayitzer, going back to the idea of the two Yudin Vayitzer, Chachma La Chachma Tatah. So which are connected properly. Don't switch them. Avin Achonin. So the other stones. Din Chayo Moisa, which are life and death. Yitamon Lev Chacham Yamino Leichel Ksil Smo, which allows for there to be the lave of the Chacham on the right and the lave of the Ksil, the fool, on the left, which is normal existence. You're not supposed to take your normal existence into Pardes with you. It's like transcending Tzimtzum. Of course, you can't really transcend Tzimtzum, but it's as close as I guess a person can get. And therefore, you're getting from the level of my mind to the level of Avnei Shaish Tahar, to real Yeshus, to real existence. You're also going to put yourself in danger. Begin the Elaine Eitz HaDa'as Tova Ra. Those things which come to Eitz HaDa'as Tova Ra, Inam bePiruda. They have separation. Remember, Piruda is Osios Pshat, Remez, Shrash. It's interesting, the Sod, the Samach, that's unites everything. It's a circle. Everything comes together. Right? It's the secret of, in the Megillah, Gedolah Asaras HaTabas. When you get behind the concealment, you have that perfect circle. Everything is unified. V'avnei Shaish Torah inam be'yichuda below Pirud Klal. V'temrun, and if you're going to say, and it's a legitimate claim which you're going to have, do'istalek HaChaim minayu. Okay, now it's on a different level. That's the HaChaim, but it's gone. He's Pirud minayu. Now there's Pirud. Dover shkorim lo yikon l'neged einai. Dover shkorim, somebody who speaks lies. No, like we said, in the Olam HaSheker, Tak is like that. But you want to go above Olam HaSheker. You want to go to the world of Pardes. It's the greatest level. Leis Taman Pirud Ela. There is no Pirud on high. The Ilun, these Baru Me'inun Havu. the not sure exactly what it means. Some people the Elon these baru me'inan, I think it's the luchos which broke. The broke itbaru, meaning havu they are from that lower level below. The luchos broke because there's chet ego. So there's that's yes, there's level of piruda, but you're trying to get above it. Asu nashka lay. So they came to kiss the Sabu who gave him the secret. So he fled away from them. He ran away from them. So, but the secret was, obviously, that there is a level of achdus beyond the Pirud, and even though you live in Pirud, if you want to go up to the HaDa'as, you have to try and find the achdus. It's kind of like Nachum Ish Gamzu, his madrega Gamzu l'toiva. It's a very rare madrega. Very few people live in it. Even Rabbi Akiva, as the Sfarim say, his whole life he didn't live in that madrega until his last day. He said, when is he going to be able to get to this level of everything good? Nachum Ish Gamzu lives on that level all the time. For Nachum Ish Gamzu, everything's good. Even the Ra is good. That's why Nachum Ish Gamzu could be sitting in a bed with the blind and full of boils, without arms, without legs, and everything's good for him. There's no period. As long as he's not niffer from Kosh Baruch Hu, everything's good. But it's a very high madrega. If a person wants to be nichnas b'shalom, Eitz b'shalom HaDa'as, person has to be able to reach that madrega. Okay, we can't reach that madrega. Let's not talk about it. It's a joke. But we can say about ourselves that we have to try and see, as much as possible, how Ratzon Hashem is the unifying factor in this world. Of course, not getting anywhere near real realization of the levels of even the people of who didn't make it, of the three who went in and didn't make it out. Okay, nowhere near their levels. But I say, Ben Zoma, even level of Acher. But okay. This is the message you have to take. The idea of seeing the HaChaim, how everything has chiyus from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Can't even act on that level, right? That's a level way above and beyond our level. But if we can see, to some extent, which was Akiva's madrega before he got to the level of Nachum Ish Gamzu, of Gamzu Tova, that somehow there's good in everything, even though we don't experience it as such. We're on our way to understanding that's the sod. Everything is achdus. Everything is unified. It's one united, holistic circle. Okay, that's it for today.